Meaning of facelift.
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 Facelift. Facelift refers to a cosmetic surgical procedure that aims to rejuvenate and tighten the skin, especially in the face and neck area. The surgery involves removing excess skin, tightening underlying tissues, and redraping the remaining skin for a smoother, more youthful appearance. The result of a facelift is a firmer, more lifted face with reduced wrinkles, lines, and sagging skin. It can also improve the overall facial contour and restore a more youthful and refreshed look. However, it should be noted that the results of a facelift are not permanent and the aging process will continue over time.